today I will guide you how to create YouTube channels. Okay, and the first, you go to youtube.com and we click on sign. Then to create a YouTube channel, then first we have to create a Google account. Click on create account. For myself, for my child, to manage my business, I will choose for myself. You fill in the necessary information such as name. Okay. Next, email address. Baker team. Okay, and last, I will write password. Okay, so then click next. Of course, will be emails to use. Then we continue with the following step. Verify. Yeah. Enter code. After verifies, click here, select your channels. Next, we will click on the avatar to change the information. Change the image representing the YouTube channels. Okay, I will choose pictures to make pro-life. Okay, and next, first by changing the background image. Okay, customizing the image size as you like. Okay, and last, if we want to add a video watermark, we choose the option below. You can choose pictures. Okay, and display time, you can choose end of video, custom start time, and enjoy video. Okay, and next we go to the basic info section to name our YouTube channels. I will name it my YouTube channels. Then describe something about your YouTube channels. Say something about yourself, your YouTube channels, or something else. Okay, and after completing the step, we click publish. we click here. Okay, we will see the main page of the YouTube channels, and this is the home page of our YouTube channel. We can click on the image to change it. Here I will change the cover photo for my YouTube channel. Once I make the change, okay, I will choose the picture, the other picture. Yes, after that I will save. Click public. So I have a new cover photo. The content here includes about homes, video, playlist, channels, about, include description and details. You can adjust descriptions. Okay, and you can upload video by click here. Through this video, we have a basic understanding of how to create a YouTube channel. Good luck.